Good afternoon, everybody. Now I will just tell about basic computer engineering subject, that is first year subject for students. We are discussing here about computer fundamentals. What are the basic definition and introduction of computer fundamentals? Now moving on other side of this computer fundamentals, you will just see what are the types of computer fundamentals. You will see here going on the definition. It is like a computer generally means a programmable machine. It is just a machine that we are nowadays we are using in our daily routine also. So it's just a machine that is again having some properties and characteristics, that it responds to a specific set of instructions and in a well-defined manner, and it can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions, whatever you are executing and telling the instructions. Now here again we are having modern computers that are having electronic and digital. That are two types of modern computers are there, electronic and digital. The actual machineries are wires, transistors and circuits that are called hardware, and one is software, that is data. Instructions and data are called software. So moving ahead, again define these are the diagrams of our modern computer. You can just see the diagram here. It is explaining about how is a modern computer. So this is a modern computer that will tell about monitor, disk drive, floppy disk, printer, memory, speaker, modern, modem, mouse, keyboard, CD-ROM drive, etc. These are all the basic diagram that is telling about how is a computer, modern computer can be defined and shown. Okay. Internally, many parts are more parts are there that are defined in our computer fundamental topic. Moving ahead, we can see this is an introduction of computer, that is an electronic device that already we told is used for information processing. Also, it's a Latin word of compute, that is known as computer. Again, it is used for calculation of machine. Computer system includes the computer, peripheral devices and software. Now again, some characteristics of computers are high processing speed. Speed is high, accuracy is good, reliable, versatile, and diligence. Okay, these are the characteristics of computer. Now again we can see basic computer operations that are based on input, process and control, storage and output. Now again, input is mainly used to accept a data instructions, whatever it is getting from input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. Process and control performs the actions based on arithmetic logical unit operations, that is described here. That is also included in overall operations like whatever are present inside the computer. Storage stores the data and the instruction for future execution. Again, output generates the whatever results, desired output you are having, and executed, that is generated in the output, and the processing unit of that particular data. Now that whatever we are discussing is same here, it is also telling us is whatever input we are using, and that particular input process data, stores data and produces output. So it is a main part of any computer that it uses accepting input, and it also refers to a computer system. Data refers to a symbol like facts, objects and ideas. Processing is the way that a computer manipulates data, how data is manipulated, and computer processes data in a device called central processing unit. Memory is an area of a computer that holds data that is waiting to be processed, stored, or whatever output we'll get in the memory. Then storage is the area where data can be left on a permanent basis. And computer output is the result produced by the computer. So these are and in this way we will get an output that displays, prints or transmits the results of processing. Okay, so these all are the points that are based on computer fundamentals, or we can say definition or introduction of a computer in our basic computer. Again, we can see one more description of our computer parts. It is describing here computer accepts input from input device such as keyboard, mouse, scanner or digital camera. Again, it is gone to a data. It is processed. The same points are explained here in the diagrammatically manner. Okay, so data is processed in the CPU according to instructions that have been loaded into the computer's memory. Whatever data we are getting, then again it has gone to a two parts, like computer produces output or devices such as screens and printers, what we take print out like in our nowadays daily life, and again a CD. A computer uses disks, CDs, DVDs, that is used to permanently store data. So these are further. So again, further we can say, proceeding ahead, we can say computer programs, hardware, software, capabilities of computer. So whatever computer is doing, it is performing computation, like what I've already we've discussed, and makes logical decisions millions billions times faster than human beings. Also the programs that is now used to set of instructions for which computer processes data. Some set of instructions are given there. And hardware, again physical devices of computer system. Software, again programs that run on computers. Capabilities of computers, again it is a huge data storage, input and output process. Thank you. These are the all descriptions that I'm telling about computer fundamentals and the first unit of our basic computer engineering. Thank you so much.